Did you know that baby hiccups are actually a sign of healthy brain development, and you should never try to stop them? Those adorable little hiccups that seem so concerning are actually helping your baby's breathing muscles grow stronger. Every hiccup is training their diaphragm and building the foundation for proper breathing control. Here's what might surprise you most. Newborns can hiccup for 20 minutes or more. And this is completely normal. You'll notice they happen most often during feeding or right after meals. And here's the reassuring part that every parent needs to know. Even when hiccups look intense to us, they rarely bother babies at all. They might even sleep right through them. But traditional remedies like startling your baby or giving sugar water can actually be harmful to infants. Their little systems aren't ready for those interventions. So next time you see those tiny hiccups, just smile. Your baby's brain is growing beautifully,